Let's get straight to it. So I'm starting out with the eyebrows. Right now I'm using Elmer's glue, the purple one, that's going to help keep them in place. Now I'm applying translucent powder to set the brows, and I got this powder out of my Mehron Sfx kit. Using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going in with this orange color, and I'm going to use this to color my brows. This brow pencil that I'm using is by a company called Absolute, and I got it off of Amazon. The color is Smoke. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, and I'm going to use this to clean up my brows. Now I'm just doing a little outline so that I will know where I want to place these scars. So now I'm applying spirit gum to the scars. Spirit gum is an adhesive, and it's going to help the wax stick and not fall off later. I'm going to be taking little pieces of wax and molding it into scars. I'm going to add that. Once I get it added, I'm going to smooth out the edges of it with a spatula to help it look more realistic. This wax and the spirit gum both can be found in the Mehron Special Effects kit, in which I got off Amazon. Using translucent powder to set all this wax to help better apply the makeup later that I'm going to put on it. I'm using a pointed edge Q-tip that also comes in the Mehron Special Effects kit, and I'm going to be using this Q-tip to carve out the scars. Applying my foundation. You know, y'all gotta make this look real, so get your foundation that matches your skin tone. I'm using black Radiance. The color is Cashmere, and you want to put your foundation all over your face. When you get on the wax, you want to gently place that on to the wax. You don't want to ruin the shape of it. After that's done, I'm using face paint. It's a color wheel that comes in the kit, and I'm going to use red inside the scar. I'm going to use a burgundy color on the outside of the scar, and you just paint on here and try to get this to look as realistic as you can. Now I'm going to create a black eye. First, I'll go in with red face paint, and then I'll go in with black to try to get that to look as much like a black eye as I can. Now I'm going to fill the scars with fake blood, and I got this blood out of the kit, the Mehron Special Effects kit. Okay, Chucky, come through then.